In this video, we'll talk about sets in the roster method. The roster method is simply a way of writing a set using curly brackets. Let's start with an example. List the set of vowels using the roster method. So we need to come up with a name for our set. Usually that's a capital letter. So in this case, I'll call it V for vowels. And V is going to be equal to, and then we're going to surround our set in curly braces. And then we're going to list the elements of our set. So we're going to list, in this case, the vowels. A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U, and I'll leave out Y because it's sometimes a Y. Each comma there denotes a different element of our set, and then we surround them in the left and the right curly brace, and that is the roster method. Let's try the second example. Which of the following is a set P of all positive, even numbers less than 12? Okay, so there's a few things we need to look for when making our selection. Positive, our elements in our set need to be positive. So I look through my answer choices and I don't see any negative numbers, so that's good. Even and less than 12. Now there is something kind of a little bit maybe tricky here we have to think about with positive, in that we do have two answer choices here that have 0 in them. Now 0 is not considered a positive or a negative number, and you may not know that right off the top of your head, but if you start to think about it, you may realize you've never seen positive 0 or you have never seen negative 0. 0 is always without a sign. So 0 is not considered a positive number, so we can actually mark those two answer choices off because they include 0. So now let's move on to even. So every answer choice that the answer choice we're looking for needs to include only even numbers. So the next two answer choices I have there do, so we're good there. And then finally we're looking for only numbers less than 12. So not equal to 12. So we see the difference in these two choices are that this one includes 12, so that's a problem. So we'll say not equal to. So that throws that one away, and then we're left with our final answer choice of B.